Hey everyone, welcome to November, and that means we have a new song of the month. So you're going to listen to that. It's called The World We See. And then we're going to go on to our definition of percussion. So we've talked about the instrument families before, and today we're going to focus on the percussion family. These are some of the instruments that you may remember from the music classroom that are also in the percussion family. The definition is here. It says these are instruments that are hit, shaken, or scraped. You're going to go to this next button so you can watch the percussion family episode. So another episode of the Quaver Show. It's really good, and it talks about all about the percussion family and the important ways that we use percussion in our everyday lives, and that you hear it all around you, and you may not even realize how important and how often you hear those. So enjoy that, and then you're going to click next. And you're going to play a little activity called the Percussion Wrangler. And so if you look at the instrument and you're not sure how it's played, you can click on it and then click again to make the sound stop to help you remember. So we know that maracas are shaken. So we're going to go ahead and put that over into the shaking category. And you can squeeze those up as much as you want to. And believe me, if you don't stop the sound, it will go forever. So make sure you stop the sound when you're tired of hearing it. Okay, so make sure you get those into the different categories. Do your best. Then you'll click next, and you'll take a quiz based on the percussion episode. It says, what are the 3 ways to play percussion? So is it strum, pluck, and blow, or hit, shake, and scrape? And then one other question, which instrument belongs in the percussion family? Cello, tuba, saxophone, or hand drum? Oh, I do have another one. Where can percussion be found in an orchestra seating chart? They talk about that in the video, so make sure you're watching real carefully because that is in there. And then that'll be the last question. You'll click the orange button that says submit and then the green OK button. And then this is a fun activity called Bongo Cat. I don't know if y'all have seen this yet or not, but it's really cute. And you're basically going to use the keys of your keyboard on your computer to play different instruments. So for these bongos, look up here, it's saying you're going to play the A key and the D key. And you can actually play other ones too. So that was the space bar, that was the meow. All right, for C, you got your cymbal. So all those pop up there. You got a cowbell, tambourine, piano, and marimba. So I won't ruin it all for you. Have fun playing with that, being creative with those percussion instruments. Then you'll X out of that right here. So it'll bring you back to this slide, and then you'll click next. And then we have our percussion activity. So I think a lot of you enjoyed this when we did this before. So remember, you're just going to drag these to the little turtle shells. And you can also add one more row. And then have fun creating percussion sounds using the different animals. And then also we have our tempos down here. Remember, largo is slow. Andante is a walking tempo. And then we have moderato medium. So enjoy playing with those percussion sounds, and then that's it for this week. So I hope you have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.